Two fish. No. One's gone. Come back. It's gone again. Chopped with again. They're having real fun in the sun. We are at the CLaytor lake, and I have the Sony Handycam HDR Acer 11. The 60 GB Handycam. I bought it almost a year back, and I'm really happy with the camera. Well, I don't use that AVC HD format that much because it produces huge high quality videos that I don't need. Most of the time I just use a regular whatever that MPEG, probably that format, and it's wonderful. So you can see that I can zoom in to distant places, but still it captures pretty well. You see the fish is actually way over there. In my Sony Handycam, like from here you cannot probably see those fishes at all. Right here I'm standing. Okay, let's zoom in one more time. Okay, I'm getting closer. Okay, they are still there. Yes, and they are having fun. Okay, we also have enough fun with this camera, and they're underwater. So, okay, see that? See in that camera, baby. There is one fish. There is another one.
Yeah, I can see it from here.